Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Mukri and I have a couple of team's member which is Hazifa Is bin Mustafa and also Nur Azlina. And now about my assignment is about an electrical wireman not registered with ST execute for electrical installation testing either single phase or three phase. Then he prepared tester report for the electrical installation. Does the wireman work follow an electrical regulation? Please explain related electrical regulation and the test report is fit to the use. And next we go to the legal and regulatory compliance. In Malaysia, the electrical installation and testing regulation are governed by the several key legal standards with the Energy Commission of Suruhanjaya, which is ST, being the primary regulatory body overseeing electrical industry. The Electrical Regulation 1994 is a set of regulations enacted under the Electricity Supply Act 1990. In Malaysia, the regulations serve as the detailed guideline for the safe and efficient use of electricity in the country, addressing everything from electrical installation to the reasonable of electrical contractor, also the wireman. First, if the wireman does not follow the regulation 15, wireman must have the certificate of competency, and regulation 13, only authorized personnel may test and certify installation. And the regulation 445.1 certification is mandatory for electrical work. Legal implication. In Malaysia, non-compliance with the electrical regulation 1994 can have serious legal implications both for individual and organization involved in electrical installation, testing, and also the maintenance. Non-compliance invalidate test report may result in fines or license revocation under the Electricity Supply Act 1990. If the electrical test report is prepared by non-registered wireman, it will be considered invalid by the Energy Commission. And also, it can have penalties for unauthorized electrical work. If the wireman who is not registered with the Energy of Malaysia, which is ST, perform electrical work such as installation, testing, or maintenance is considered a violation to the regulation, which it can lead to the fines. Next is safety and health concern. Electrical work is inherent hazardous and improper testing or fault installation can lead to serious health and safety risks when electrical testing is carried out by unqualified individuals or without proper oversight, the risk or to both individuals and communities increase significantly. Risks from unqualified testing. Unqualified testing and improper electrical installation often lead to serious electrical hazard, including shock, fire, and also the overload. Undetected risk due to improper testing method. Electrical testing is critical part of ensuring the safety of the electrical installation, but when performed improperly, risks can go undetected, such as poor insulation testing, resistive testing, improper grounding verification, and also failure to test overcurrent protection. Broader implication. The safety risks caused by unqualified electrical testing and fault installation extend beyond individual home and business to the broader community, impact public health, emotional well-being, and also the economy. Increased strain on public health system. Electrical accident, especially those resulting from the several injuries, this type of injuries put significant strain on the healthcare system. Emotional and financial tolls on victims and families. Emotional impact. The emotional toll of electrical accident on victims and their families is profound. Survivors of electrical accident often deal with the physical emotional scars, including post-traumatic stress, anxiety, and depression. The trauma experienced by those who lost loved ones to electrical fire or shock is deeply devastating. Statistic: case study of accident caused by non-compliance. In 2018 to 2020 fire static, around 40% of resident fire in Malaysia were contributed to the electrical malfunction, including the faulty wiring, improper installation, and unqualified electrical work.
Okay, my name is Hazim Faiz. Okay, I will continue about slide working culture solution. In today involving work environments, cultivating a compliant-oriented workforce is critical to ensuring organizational integrity and long-term success. This involves a multifaceted approach. Firstly, certification programs. Subsidizing training initiative and fostering continuous learning ensure employees have the necessary skills and knowledge to maintain compliance. And the second one, employer accountability. Employers must take responsibility by verifying credential and conducting regular audits to uphold standards. And the third one, regulatory measure. Enforcing penalties for non-compliant establish clear boundaries and promotes adherence to industry regulation. In addition to this structural change, raising awareness through public campaigns is essential. By emphasizing the importance of certified professionals, organization can elevate the value compliance across industry and among stakeholders. Okay, next slide is public interest and societal impact. Non-compliant carries profound consequences for both public safety and the economy. Increased injuries and fatalities highlight the human cost of failing to meet safety standards, while the economic burden rise through damage and inflates insurance claims. Establishing trust in the system is essential for fostering a safe and professional environment. Compliance reassures the public, ensuring that systems operate safely while maintaining high professional standards. Finally, there is an ethical responsibility that professionals must uphold. Beyond technical expertise, they have a duty to prioritize public well-being and contribute to a safer, more relevant society. Okay, next slide is contribution to society. Compliance has a direct and positive impact on society. It ensures safer living and working environments, protecting individuals and communities. Additionally, it reduces the strain on emergency and legal system, allowing resources to be used more effectively. Compliance also aligns with key national goals, including SDG 9, which focuses on strengthening electrical infrastructure, and SDG 11, which promotes safe and sustainable urban environments. The role of certified wiremen is crucial in this process. As stewards of public safety, they uphold trust and professionalism, ensuring the compliance translates into tangible benefit for society.
So this is the proposed action plans, which have two types, which short-term goals and also the long-term strategies. So for short-term goals, we can conduct inspection and also validate ongoing projects. We also can recertify test reports by certified professionals. So for the long-term strategies, we can establish training centers and also monitoring systems. We also can have the incentive continuous development for the wiremen. So in conclusions, the first one is non-compliance jeopardize safety and also public trust. Second one, legal framework like the Electricity Regulation 1994 ensure reliability, which highlighting the importance of regulatory framework in maintaining electrical safety and also the system dependability. The last one, certified professional are critical for sustainable societal progress. So who needs to take the actions? So the first one is the stakeholders. So they need to enforce stricter regulations. Next one is the employers. They need to verify compliance in hiring practice. So last one is the society, which they need to advocate for accountability in electrical safety. So that's all from three of us. Thank you.